Alright, hey guys, it is KCS Productions here. Now, I'm going to be doing a webcam video, and this is going to be very awkward since I don't have an Android tablet right now, and it's very complicated. So, I'm going to be going ahead and show you my outer parts of the laptop, since I forgot to do that in my previous one of my lenovo computers, showing off the parts of the computer, of course, however you want to explain that. So, a lot of people are worried about the quality of this video, but that doesn't matter anyway. We got my charger here, which unfortunately doesn't want to work anymore. It kind of wants to quit. Got my cooling fan right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can see it. Like I said, guys, I'm really sorry if the quality is horrible. Unfortunately, the fan is kind of broken off, because, I'm really rough with stuff. Got my monitor plugged in. This was actually meant for the monitor. This is the monitor plug-in, which I have on this PC, of course, which is a Windows 10 PC. Got Ethernet cable, of course. We got this. This is called the Amazon Basic HDMI high speed with Ethernet. Now, this was supposed to be Ethernet, but I guess it doesn't work with Ethernet, so I'm really sorry about that. We got my webcam plugged in, wireless mouse plugged in, and my keyboard plugged in, of course. This was actually, I can show you right now. Okay, I don't think you guys can see it. I'm really sorry about that. Again, I'm sorry for the picture and everything. For those who are wondering, this was for our HP computer at the time, and this was for a Windows 7 computer, but unfortunately it doesn't work anymore because the fact that it got infected with viruses. So, of course, we got my keyboard plugged in here. Of course, I'm using that because the fact that my keyboard's kind of broken on my laptop, which is very unfortunate. But I'm using, this is a 2015 model, and right over here is my monitor. So as you can tell, this is my new monitor I'm trying to work on. At the time of this recording, I actually got it figured out because there was a power button on the back of this one. I was like, oh yeah, there's a monitor on this one. And again, I'm sorry if the quality is really bad. It's just the camera. I gotta figure out how to work this fucking camera. I'm using IE for the first time on webcam too. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna be showing off my box here. Which of course, oh no, my camera froze. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, apparently my camera froze. I don't know why it does that. Okay. My stupid thing worked. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm sorry for any problems. I've been having problems with the cam recently, so I'm really sorry about this. Every time I put something on the computer, it doesn't work. Hang on, guys. Let me play. Alright, guys. Well, I'm having some technical issues with my camera right now, so I'm gonna frame it in the video here. So I'm sorry about the pause, the camera right here. I'm having some issues with that right now. So anyways, guys, part 2 is coming up next on KCS Productions channel. Goodbye.